Magic, Tuna, human. Forky. I fix it.
Let's see. Oh, look, if you see here, there's a bit of tape.
Tape?
You might want to take off this tape. Or you can just do it the easy way. Yeah, there you go. We have Forky's body, his googly eyes, his clay, his two pipe cleaner arms, his 2 sticks, and his sticker. So let's open up this Forky kit. There's a bit of cardboard. Good. I am not professional at this. That's one thing I'll tell you.
We got Forky and the sticker and the hand.
So let's start putting Forky together. And also, just for a little spoiler, this is what Forky's supposed to look like. See that? Also, let's get to it.
I'm gonna take off this. We had to make the Forky eyes in 1, 2. And now we had to put the hat.
Put on the eyes.
Put on the eyes. To do the eyebrows for Forky.
And
Put the eyebrow
what about the mouth?
mouth. We had to do the mouth first and make it happy. And you can have it. We had to put the clay and the sticks and the sticker. My brother Aiden gonna put the hands.
This might be a bit complicated. So first, we're gonna make a half. Yeah. And then we're going to make another half. You might want to tighten up this one to make a finger. So then wrap this around Forky.
And magic.
And we're gonna
And the clay.
twist.
And the sticker.
Twist.
Hello. And the
So now we have a little arm. Yay! So now we separate this. We have 2 fingers. And now we do the same thing with this one. Wrap it around. We give it a good twist.
My Forky is gonna be perfect.
So here, folks, these are the arms and hands, and now I'm gonna pass it to my sister so she can make the legs. Do you need help opening this? I am now gonna grab the scissors.
And don't cut the clay.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the clay. Very squishy. And guess who came over? The scissors monster. And she cut this open. So, give a round of applause for the scissors monster. Did you really have to make the body? Yes. Need help? I guess I'm gonna be helping her with the contraption for the legs.
No, Aiden.
No, I have to make this first.
Yeah,
So first we're gonna have to round this up into a ball.
So I got this.
So now we're gonna flatten this and make it look like a volcano.
Volcano?
Mm-hmm. Everyone say volcano.
Volcano!
So, now we're gonna put it on Forky. Forky, welcome to your new home. Put on the little legs on the bottom. So, you have one leg. What? Oh no!
Oh, Forky!
Now we're gonna put on the sticker. Put on. Put on this leg. And there we go. We have the sticker. And now our Forky is complete. Yay! Everyone celebrate!
We got Forky out. We made it a piccolo. That's great. Yes. Magic, tuna, Forky. We got my brother Aiden behind me. We made Forky. Woohoo!